If you know of anybody hiring, I would love a job.
Okay, well, I think there's a bar that has a mechanical bull. You can go see if they need something done with the bull over there, okay?
All right, folks, you're not gonna believe this one. We've got Jason Green, a guy with no job, trying to collect child support from his ex, Ellie, the kicker. Ellie's the actual custodial parent. Yeah, you heard that right. The parent who doesn't have full custody thinks he should be getting paid. This is what happens when logic takes a nosedive. But don't take my word for it. Let's break it all down and see just how wild this case really gets. Buckle up, because this one's a ride.
Okay, Mr. Green, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I don't have any of my paperwork with me, but basically I need to get child support. I don't have a job right now. Elle's working, but now that we're separated, I recently filed for divorce, so I can't support the kids when they're over at our place, and honestly, it'd be great if I could get a little bit of child support to take care of the kids.
So let me get this straight. You guys are married. You filed for divorce.
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
And you're seeking child support from her?
Yes, that's correct, Your Judge.
Who does these children live with?
The kids live with me, Your Honor.
They're also at my place on the weekdays.
On weekends. They come see you on weekends, okay?
Weekends.
Okay. Weekends. So you're a non-custodial parent?
No, Your Judge.
Excuse me?
I said no, Your Judge.
No, you're a non-custodial parent, which means that she should receive the child support benefit, not you.
See, I'm honestly new to this whole thing. I'm not sure how it's supposed to work. I just know that, I'm currently, if I don't have a job right now, I can't take care of the kids when they come over. I mean, I can barely afford.
Wait a minute.
I barely afford to keep myself in an apartment.
You have common sense though, right?
I'd like to think my mama gave me common sense. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then you should understand that if the children are living with her, and just because you're unemployed, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't be paying her child support if the children live with her.
Yes.
Your Judge, how am I supposed to pay? Like, how am I supposed to take care of the kids? If
you're supposed to get a job. Exactly, get a job. Everyone has to work. Why do you think you're so special and that doesn't apply to you? I can't really find a job in my career because. What kind of career do you do? Make this good.
I'm a mechanic, but it's hard to do what I do.
You cannot find a job as a mechanic?
Yes, Your Judge.
What type of mechanic are you?
I work on mechanical bulls. It's not very easy for me to get work because right now there's just not a lot of bulls needed in the wintertime. It just doesn't happen.
Okay,
so right now I
can find something else, right?
That's what I keep telling him, but he's very picky about the job.
Well, and I have to explain to her all the time that all mechanical items aren't the same, all right? Like, I can't just work on a car because I wasn't trained that way. I went to school. Like, I don't have the opportunity.
Oh, it's getting better. You went to school, so you have a skill set, right?
Yes, ma'am, I went.
So you can use it for something other than mechanical bulls,
yes,
correct?
like supporting your kids.
Is that right? Is it yes or no? I don't need all the extra.
Yes, I went to school, but no, it doesn't apply.
You know what?
It doesn't.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, ma'am, I didn't. I just want to take care of my kids, and I can't do that if I don't make money.
You know how you're going to take care of your kids? You're going to go get another job.
But wait, it gets even dumber. Jason strolls into court with zero paperwork, not a single document, no proof, no records, nothing. My guy really thought he could just vibe his way into a child support check. And then, with a straight face, he tells Judge Vaughn he's unemployed and needs money, even though the kids live with Ellie full-time and only see him on weekends. Like, what exactly does he need support for? Weekend snack funds, juice boxes, and Happy Meals? But the real kicker, he looks the judge dead in the eye and says, "Yo, Judge, man," like he's ordering at a drive-thru instead of standing in a courtroom asking for free money. Sir, this is not a McDonald's. This is a legal proceeding. And just when you think it can't get worse, he starts whining. How am I supposed to take care of my kids? Bro, I don't know. Maybe get a job. But wait, he says he can't find work as a mechanic. Sounds reasonable, right? Except he doesn't mean cars. This man claims he's a mechanic for mechanical bulls. I swear, you cannot make this stuff up. How many busted rodeo bulls are out there stopping this man from employment? Jason, buddy, it's time to retire from the cowboy chuck E-cheese circuit and find a real job.
And even if you don't get another job, what's going to happen today, you're going to be ordered to pay her child support. And it looks like you just stopped working in July.
Yes, I did. I did quit in July right before I filed for divorce.
You quit in July right before you filed for divorce because you felt like you wouldn't have to pay child support. You really thought that she was going to pay it to you.
Maybe, I'll throw myself on the mercy of the floor of the court here, honestly, because I thought that when you are separated from a loved one and you have kids, you're supposed to pay child support. That's what I was told. My daddy paid child support. I know how it works.
Oh,
I'm just saying,
obviously
I thought she would pay because how much? If
Okay,
if kids are going to be with me, I can't
think
feed them
that
goldfish. I can't pay
Texas
for.
Workforce Commission correctly reported your numbers of what you made from January through July. So that's what we're going to base your child support off of. According to that, you made $45,600 within those months. How many children do you all have?
We have two children.
Okay, how old are these children?
They are 12 and 6.
12 and 6, okay. And who covers health insurance?
I do, Your Honor.
How much is it?
$167 a month.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I have from that $45,600, I have your gross at $3,800. Excuse me, what's going on here? I'm making my ruling, and you are speaking to someone else that is not a party to this case. Who is that?
Just a friend trying to help me out.
Okay, well, obviously, sir, you're going to come up here and help him pay child support?
Wait,
Okay, thanks.
You're
If
judging.
you're
Am I
not,
paying
I need
child
you-
support? I
I
can't
need you
afford.
to stay back
If I'm
here.
asking for child support, how can I pay it?
How? After you listen to me, and I tell you what the amount is. So your gross is $3,800, which brings your net to $3,112.11. Yes, grab a Snickers because you're going to be here a minute. Health insurance reimbursement to mom is $167. So based on that, I have your total child support monthly obligation of $945.03. That's to be paid every month.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you understand?
No, I don't understand because I thought I came in here to receive money, ma'am.
Well, you thought wrong, and I just gave you my ruling. So any other questions?
I have no questions. I'm good with this.
Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, did you have something else?
He always has something else.
Okay.
if you know of anybody hiring, I would love a job.
Okay. Well, I think there's a bar that has a mechanical bull. You can go see if they need something done with the bull over there, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
And that's when Judge Vaughn hit Jason with the biggest reality check of his life. Even if he can't find another job, he's still on the hook for child support. Turns out my guy quit his last job, thinking he could finesse the system and make Ellie pay him just because he wasn't working. Well, that backfired spectacularly. Biggest, reverse moment ever. And just when you think it can't get any crazier, Jason starts chatting up a random guy in court, straight up asking a witness for legal advice like this is some kind of group project. Bro, focus. Then, as Judge Vaughn starts calculating how much he's about to owe, my man casually whips out a Snickers bar and starts stress-eating mid-hearing. Like, sir, are you serious right now? You about to be hungry for a whole new reason. And when she finally drops the number, $900 a month, he slams the desk. This dude really thought he was about to get pay, not pay up. The plot twist he did not see coming. But the desperation doesn't stop there. In one final, last-ditch effort, he actually asked the judge if she knows anyone hiring, like this is some kind of networking event. And she roasts him on the spot, telling him there might be a bar that needs a mechanical bull fixed. Absolutely brutal. If you enjoyed this mess, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. And of course, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next one.